In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail message template in 5 easy steps. Whether you're looking to save time on repetitive emails or want to ensure consistency in your communication, setting up an email template can be a real game changer. So let's get started. First, open Gmail and click on the Compose button. This is a familiar task, but it's the essential first step in crafting your template. What you're doing here is starting a new email that will eventually become your reusable template. Everything you include in this draft will be what populates your template each time you decide to use it, so think about what you want to say that would apply to many emails. Next, it's time to type out your email content. Remember, this is just like writing any other email, but with an eye on reusability. For instance, if your template is for new client introductions, include all the necessary information you generally provide when reaching out for the first time. Feel free to add placeholders like name for any personalized details you'll customize for each recipient later on. Now look for the 3 vertical dots at the bottom right of the email draft window and click on them. This action will open up a menu of additional options. You might not have explored these options before, but within this menu lies the treasure trove of template creation. In the drop-down menu, hover over the Templates option. This should lead to another side menu displaying various template actions. It's here where you can save the email draft you just composed as a template. Hover over Save Draft as Template, and then proceed to click on Save as New Template. This step ensures that your composition turns into a template for future use. After clicking to save as a new template, a dialog box will appear prompting you to name your template. It's a good idea to choose a name that easily identifies the purpose of the template, such as intro email or follow-up. Once you've entered the template name, hit save. And there you have it, your template is now ready to use whenever you need it. Just go back to the Compose button, select templates from the options menu, and you'll see your saved templates listed there, ready for action. Setting up email templates can help streamline your workflow, keeping your communications consistent and efficient. Hopefully this tutorial has made the process simple and straightforward. Don't forget to update or create new templates as your needs evolve, and enjoy the time savings this Gmail feature offers. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.